Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Egg Kurma, a flexible gravy that is easy to prepare and works well with variety of dishes. It's made with a coconut-based gravy, so let's get started. Take some grated coconut, into that add in some fennel seeds, some cashew nuts and some water. Grind it to a very fine paste. Now heat a pan, add some oil. Add some cinnamon, cloves, cardamom and a bay leaf. Saute it for some time. Into that add in thinly sliced onions. Saute these onions till it slightly changes its color. Now add in some ginger and garlic paste. Saute it till the raw smell goes. Add in some green chilies and curry leaves. We are not adding any red chili powder in this recipe, so add green chilies according to the spice level required. Now add in some turmeric powder, coriander powder and some garam masala. Saute it well. With that, add in finely chopped tomatoes. Cover the pan till the tomato gets cooked. Into that add in some veggies with some potatoes. Here I added some carrots and green peas, but you can add different types of veggies like cauliflower, broccoli, green peas, etc. Cover the pan and cook the veggies. Now into this mix add the coconut paste which we made at the beginning. Saute it and cook it for some time. Add some salt, mix it. Now add the required amount of water into this curry. Add less water if you want your gravy to be really thick. Cover it and let it get boiled. Now the gravy reached the perfect consistency. I'm adding some boiled eggs into this gravy. Give it a mix, cover it and cook for 5-10 minutes and our egg kurma is ready. This rich and thick gravy egg kurma recipe is perfect to have with chapatis, plain rotis or Kerala traditional appam. So definitely try out this recipe. And follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.